Hello everyone, my dear students. Welcome you all in online class. Today we are going to discuss the exercise question answer from the chapter number 2, Nutrition in Animals. Let's start. Now there are some multiple choice questions. Mark the correct answer in each of the following. Fat is completely get digested in the stomach, mouth, small intestine or large intestine. So the answer will be small intestine. Number 3. Fat is completely digested in the small intestine. Next question. Water from the undigested food is absorbed mainly in the stomach, food pipe, small intestine and large intestine. Undigested food means after the digestion process takes place, undigested food, where they are actually placed? They are in large intestine. So the water from the undigested food that is absorbed mainly in the large intestine. Okay. So the answer is fourth number. Water from the undigested food is absorbed mainly in the large intestine. Let's come to the next slide. Now match the following items, column 1 and column 2. Column 1 there are food components and column 2 products of digestion. Okay, here it is being given, the answer will be the main food components carbohydrates, the products of the carbohydrates are sugar, and the food components like proteins, the product of digestion is amino acid, and the fat food components, fat having products like fatty acid and glycerol. Okay. Next comes to the question answer. What are villi and what are their location and function? What are villi? You have already heard about the villi in the chapter Nutrition in Animals. So the villi are the finger-like outgrowth, or the inner walls of small intestine have thousands of finger-like outgrowth or projection. These are called villi. In singular, villi are called as villus. Villi is in the plural form. Okay, and singular villus. You have to remember this. Okay. Next, what is their location? Where they are actually situated? They are present in inner walls of small intestine in our digestive system. In the inner walls of small intestine. Okay, you have to remember, in the inner walls of the small intestine in our digestive system, they are present in there. Okay. Next is, what is their function? The villi increase the surface area for absorption of the digested food. Okay. So it always increase the surface area for absorption of digested food. As you know, villi are connected to blood vessels, and when blood vessels and they are actually absorbing the food and pass it to the all parts, okay, through the blood. So it increases the surface area, and that is for more absorption of digested food. Now next, where is the bile produced and which component of the food does it help to digest? So bile produced from where? Bile juice is produced in the liver. So liver secrete bile juice. And which component of the food does it help to digest? It helps in the digestion of fats. So it mainly digests the fats by breaking the large fat globule into smaller ones. As you know, directly fat cannot be digested. So the larger particles or the larger substance are broken down into simpler substance. Then it is easier to digest the component of food. Okay. So here the function of the main bile juice is to digest fats by breaking down fat globules into simpler form. Okay. Next question. Name the type of carbohydrate that can be digested by ruminants but not by humans. Give the reason also. As you have learned that ruminants mean grass eating animals, and they are actually eating grass, and grass contains cellulose, that is a type of carbohydrate that can be digested by them but not by humans, because they have cellulose digesting bacteria and also having cellulose enzyme, but in human they lacks cellulose digesting bacteria and lacks cellulase enzyme also that required to digest the cellulose. So the answer will be cellulose is a carbohydrate that can be digested by ruminants but not by humans, because human lack cellulose digesting bacteria and lack cellulase enzyme required to digest the cellulose. Okay, that is the main reason why carbohydrate can be digested by ruminants but not by humans. I hope you understood this. Okay. Next question. Why do we get instant energy from glucose? As you have learned that carbohydrates are broken down into glucose. Glucose is a type of sugar. So, why carbohydrate cannot be used by us directly, and they cannot be just digested in the directly form, means in their complex form. So carbohydrate is broken down into glucose. Glucose is the simplest substance of carbohydrate. That's why we can easily digest the simpler form of the food components. Now the answer is glucose is a simple sugar which is easily absorbed by the blood. So when it is in the simple form, that get easily absorbed by our blood, whereas other carbohydrates are first broken down into glucose, then absorbed. Hence glucose gives instant energy. So glucose is the simplest form of carbohydrate, so that can be gives us instant energy. Okay, so it is a simple sugar that can be easily absorbed by the blood. That's why it gives us instant energy. Understood, student? If you have any problem, ask me in the e-portal, and I have also given you some homework in e-portal. Just do this and show it to me, and I will correct those all. And again, if you have any queries, just ask me. Okay, I am always there for your help. And next day I will discuss some more question from your exercise. Now today up to this,